woodlands, and semi-deserts. Spotted hyenas live in large, female-led clans and communicate using complex sounds and scent. Despite their reputation as scavengers, they are skilled hunters with high success rates. Their powerful jaws can crush bones for hidden nutrients. In harsh environments, teamwork and resilience define survival. Hyenas rely more on persistence than speed when hunting. They often pursue prey